Want to know how to maintain your twist outs for an entire week without retwisting? Keep watching till the end. I used a few drops of jojoba oil to unravel my twists on day 1. At night, section your hair into 4 parts and do the banding method, either with large hair ties or headbands. Then apply your satin bonnet. This will keep your curls moisturized, intact, and defined, providing a bit of stretch, which I personally do not mind. In the morning, gently remove the hair ties and separate your curls as you wish. Repeat banding at night. No retwisting at all needed. This can be applied to twist outs, braid outs, and even wash and goes. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Till next time.